Hello everyone, I'm Peter, and I'm here to walk you through the basic concepts of project management, planning, execution, and control of activities to achieve specific goals. Plan with tasks and resources to reach goals. Execute activities as per timeline. Track progress, monitor deviations, and adjust to stay on track. Overall, project management ensures efficiency, timely completion, and proper resource usage to achieve outcomes. In this module, we'll explore the conception, design, and organization of local development projects, laying the groundwork for effective project initiation. Next, we'll delve into management of local development projects, highlighting key strategies for overseeing implementation. Our discussion will then cover resource mobilization techniques, offering insights into securing necessary funding and resources. We'll also examine project monitoring and evaluation, crucial for assessing progress and outcomes. Additionally, we'll address risk assessment and mitigation in projects, ensuring preparedness for challenges. Finally, we'll conclude with financial management and reporting, emphasizing accurate financial oversight and accountability. Management of local development projects involves improving a geographic area by increasing its economic, social, or environmental well-being. This requires collaboration with local communities, government officials, businesses, and stakeholders to plan, implement, and evaluate projects. Effective management includes strategic planning, stakeholder engagement, resource allocation, monitoring, and adaptive decision-making to meet objectives and generate sustainable benefits for the community. Design co-creation projects involve collaborative efforts between designers, users, and stakeholders to create solutions to complex challenges. The designer's role shifts to include input from all participants. These projects use design thinking methodologies like workshops, prototyping, and user feedback to foster a creative environment. The goal is to develop user-centered, relevant, and socially impactful solutions by leveraging the collective knowledge and creativity of the participants. In summary, management of local development projects focuses on enhancing community well-being, while design co-creation projects emphasize collaborative design to solve complex problems. Integrating project management and design thinking principles fosters inclusive, sustainable, and impactful projects for local communities. Project management as a structured approach to achieving specific objectives by coordinating resources, tasks, and stakeholders. The key phases include initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. This process ensures projects are completed efficiently, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. A project life cycle as a series of phases a project goes through from start to finish. Each phase involves specific tasks and outcomes that ensure the project's success. Here are the typical phases. Initiation. The project is defined broadly. Key activities include developing a project charter, defining scope, identifying stakeholders, and getting approval or authorization. Planning. Detailed planning to define scope, objectives, and deliverables. Activities include creating a project plan, schedules, identifying resources, communication plans, quality standards, and risk assessment. Execution. The project plan is executed. Resources are allocated, teams mobilized, and work performed. The project manager coordinates people, manages expectations, and ensures progress. Regular communication and issue resolution are key. Monitoring and controlling, tracking progress and performance. Project managers compare actual progress with the plan, identify variances, and take corrective actions. This phase also includes managing risks, ensuring quality, and adjusting the plan as needed. Closing. The project is formally completed. Deliverables are handed over, and activities include obtaining acceptance, capturing lessons learned, releasing resources, and closing out contracts. This ensures all objectives are met and the project is concluded. A structured project lifecycle helps organizations effectively plan, execute, monitor, control, and close projects, leading to successful outcomes and satisfied stakeholders. Each phase provides a framework for project management activities and decision-making. Planning tools and techniques are key for project management, aiding in task organization, scheduling, and coordination to ensure project success. Common tools include Work Breakdown Structure, WBS, hierarchical breakdown of project scope into manageable work packages. Gantt chart, visual representation of tasks, durations, dependencies, and milestones in a timeline format for scheduling and tracking progress. Critical Path Method, CPM, determines the longest sequence of dependent tasks to calculate the minimum project duration. PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique, probabilistic planning technique for estimating project durations and managing uncertainties. Resource histogram, graphical representation of resource allocation over time to optimize resource utilization. Risk management tools, identify, assess, and mitigate project risks using tools like risk registers and risk matrices. Project management software, tools like Microsoft Project and Trello aid in project planning, tracking, resource allocation, and team collaboration. Stakeholder analysis, identify stakeholders, assess interests, and develop engagement strategies. Using these tools, project managers can streamline planning, enhance communication, optimize resources, manage risks, and improve project performance. Gantt charts provide a visual overview of schedules and milestones, aiding in planning, tracking, and ensuring objectives are met within timelines and budgets. Each tool has a specific purpose, contributing to project success. Risk management in projects involves identifying, assessing, prioritizing, and mitigating risks that could impact objectives. Key aspects include risk identification, identify potential risks that could affect the project, considering internal and external factors that may lead to delays, cost overruns, quality issues, or other negative impacts. Risk assessment, identify and assess risks by their likelihood and impact using qualitative and quantitative methods to prioritize them. Risk mitigation planning, project managers develop strategies to minimize risks. Strategies include avoiding, transferring, mitigating, or accepting risks based on the project's circumstances. Risk monitoring and control. Throughout the project, risks need to be monitored and controlled to ensure mitigation strategies are effective and new risks are addressed promptly. Regular risk reviews and updates to the risk register are important. Risk response planning, have predefined response plans to address risks promptly. Plans should outline steps to minimize project impact. Risk communication, effective communication is key to successful risk management. Stakeholders need to be informed about potential risks, mitigation strategies, and the status of risk management activities to ensure transparency and alignment. Implementing a systematic approach to risk management allows project managers to anticipate and address potential threats. This reduces uncertainties, enhances decision-making, improves outcomes, and boosts stakeholder confidence in meeting objectives within constraints. Project reporting involves creating reports to share key information with stakeholders. Progress report, regular updates on status, achievements, challenges, and plans. Contains KPIs, work summary, tasks, and risks. It's shared with team stakeholders and sponsors. Financial report, snapshot of financial performance, budget, expenses, and forecasts. Includes summaries, expenses, breakdowns, and variances. Helps in understanding finances, finding cost savings, and making decisions. Final report, summary of objectives, outcomes, lessons learned, and recommendations. Includes background, methodology, finding, achievements, challenges, feedback, and recommendations. It's a reference for future projects and audits. Effective reporting enhances communication, manages expectations, and ensures success through transparency and informed decisions. Best practices for project reporting in project management involve: identify key stakeholders and tailor reports to their needs. Define clear objectives for the report. Use a consistent format for easy readability. Include relevant data such as progress metrics and risks. Provide context to explain the significance of reported data. Focus on key messages, achievements, and challenges. Be concise and avoid technical jargon. Incorporate visual aids like charts and graphs. Offer actionable insights and recommendations. Maintain a regular reporting schedule. Encourage feedback from stakeholders. Document lessons learned for continuous improvement. Adhering to these best practices enhances communication, transparency, and decision-making in project management through well-structured and informative project reports. In conclusion, effective project management and reporting are crucial for project and organizational success. By ensuring timely, budget-friendly, and quality project delivery, management improves coordination, minimizes risks, and enhances stakeholder satisfaction. Reporting provides timely information for decision-making, transparency, and accountability. Together, they foster agility, learning, and continuous improvement, driving success and excellence. Thank you for joining me. You can now move towards the next chapters, exploring with more details key competencies related to local participatory development.